Sveiki visi. Hello everyone. Šiandien mes kalbame apie vaisius ir daržoves. Today we are talking about fruit and vegetables and how to say the name of it in Lithuanian. So let's start with the question, kas tavo sode? Kas tavo sode? That means what's in your garden? In order to answer the question, I will give you few names of the berries in the beginning. So to answer the previous question, you can say, mano sode auga įvairios uogos. Mano sode auga įvairios uogos. In my garden there grow various berries. Pavyzdžiui, for example, avietės, agrastai, braškės, juodieji serbentai, raudonieji serbentai, slyvos, trešnės, vynuogės ir vyšnios. Kas dar auga tavo sode? What else grow in your garden? To answer this question, you need to know more names of fruits and vegetables. So let's continue. Mano sode taip pat auga įvairūs vaisiai. That means in my garden there also grow various fruit. Pavyzdžiui, for example, ananasas, apelsinas, arbūzas, avokadas, bananas, citrina, mandarinas, kriaušė, obuolys ir persikas. Ar pastebėjote? Did you notice? Kai kurie vaisių ir daržovių pavadinimai parašyti vienaskaita, o kai kurie daugiskaita. Some names of fruits and veggies were written in singular and others in plural forms. So let's check how do we make singular and plural forms in Lithuanian. Singular and plural in Lithuanian we say vienaskaita and daugiskaita. On the left side in blue you see the names of some fruits. They are all nouns which have masculine grammatical gender. And on the right side in pink you see those nouns and names of the fruit which have feminine gender. So, if you see that the word a noun has the ending as on the left side, as, us, or ius, as in this case, is and is, that means this is a masculine noun, and from singular to plural we change as follows. As changes to I. As for example, you can see here, serbentas changes to serbentai. Vaisius, vaisiai. Žirnis, žirniai. Obuolys, obuoliai. Yeah, so for example, the last word obuolys, that means an apple, that's a singular noun, and obuoliai, that means apples in plural. Let's look at the feminine nouns. So first of all, we recognize feminine nouns also by looking at the very end of the word. Citrina, vyšnia, avietė, širdis. So basically, the most common feminine endings are a, ia, and e. Sometimes, exceptionally, we also have is. So citrina, that means a lemon, changes to citrinos, lemons in plural. Vyšnia changes to vyšnios, avietė, avietės, and širdis changes to širdys. By the way, there is a little known note that the last word širdis is not the name of the vegetables or fruits. That actually means a heart, širdis, but feminine nouns ending in is are not that common, and I really couldn't come up with any name of the vegetable or fruit, which is today's topic, to give you as an example. So I gave you one of those exceptional words, širdis. So once again, what you need to know or to remember about singular and plural nouns, just to recognize the words by their endings. Here in this slide, you can see everything in red. Okay, let's move on. We will have a little bit more of vocabulary, and in the end, I will give you a little task to practice singular and plural nouns. So next, we have another question. Kas auga tavo darže? Kas auga tavo darže? Here you may find a new word, daržas, and in this slide I will give you illustrations explaining what these words mean. So we have few different places where we can grow vegetables, fruits, and berries. One of the places can be šiltnamis. Šiltnamis, that means a greenhouse, as you can see in the illustration. Sodas. Sodas, that means garden. In Lithuanian, actually, we have two words for garden, as we have it in English. So sodas, we had the word before, that means fruit garden. And daržas, that means vegetable garden. So we differentiate it. So let's learn a few words that we could answer the question, kas auga tavo darže? Mano darže auga įvairios daržovės. In my vegetable garden, they grow various vegetables. Pavyzdžiui, for example, baklažanas, bulvė, burokas, česnakas, kopūstas, moliūgas, morka, pupas, svogūnas, žirniai. Toliau. Further. Kas auga tavo šiltnamyje? Kas auga tavo šiltnamyje? Do you remember the word šiltnamis? Šiltnamis, I will remind you once again, that is a greenhouse. So, to answer the question about the greenhouse, you can say, mano šiltnamyje auga įvairios daržovės. In my greenhouse, they grow various vegetables. Aitrioji paprika, agurkai, brokolis, ridikas, saldžioji paprika, salotas, špinatai, pomidorai. So this is the vocabulary, all the vocabulary about fruits and vegetables which I wanted to present to you today. And now we have a little task for you. Užduotis jums. Tuos žodžius, kurie buvo parašyti vienaskaita, pakeiskite į daugiskaitą ir atvirkščiai. On the another slide, you will get a list of the words, and your task is to write those words in singular if they are written in plural form, and vice versa. Here it is. So once again, what you need to do here. Look at the list of the words, go one by one, try to recognize if the word is feminine or masculine. Next step, try to recognize if the word is written in singular form or in plural form. And after that, anytime you find a word written in singular form, you change it to plural and opposite. Give yourself some time, pause the video, and on the next slide I will give you the answers where you can check yourself. Good luck! And here are the answers. Let me know how did you score. Was it difficult? Was it easy? Was it interesting to you? And after you have all the exercise completed, I send you my congratulations. In Lithuanian, we use the word sveikinu. Sveikinu, that means congratulations. Once again, please let me know how did you score. You had 24 words there written. I would like to know how many did you write correctly. So once again, good luck and see you on the next class. Iki!